Good day, brides. I'm Chateau Cocomar, and I'm about to start an after the wedding session with my amazing couple, Christina and Sean. I love this place. We're gonna show you how great it is inside and outside. My couple wants to start here at the library. We're gonna do something very intellectual here. And I love this place. I love the books. I love the smell. So we're waiting for my couple. Let me start thinking. Of course, I already visualized when I came here. Before starting a photo shoot, I already have an idea what I'm gonna get. And so I just need some books as background. I like this one. I like this setting. I see that there's light coming against me. That's gonna be tricky, but that's why they have me. Because I can fix that. Remember that Chateau Cocomar always gives you the exact time. They're very particular in that. And we just have 2 hours, so we need to work fast. So that's why it's important that you hire a very experienced photographer so we can get everything done, because this place is huge. It's huge. So you might get lost with all the things that you see, and you need to know what are the exact places that you're gonna go and what you're gonna do and how to do it, so you don't waste time, okay? So let me start prepping my lights. Okay, still I need this to be, because I still see it in the mirror. And it needs to be higher. And I don't know if this is heavy. No. You can close that one, like you can zoom in like 80 millimeters or more. Ah, yeah, remember you told me, right? She's coming, that's great. A little more pointing to the tree. Instead of looking at her, look somewhere here at the desk. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm gonna take this in an angle, this picture. And since I moved, let me see. Now hold a cigar with the other hand instead of the no drink. And I just want to see the cigar. Okay? Leaning on him. 1, 2, 3. 1 on each side. And the light, I'm gonna have it on this. Okay, this side. I'm gonna have Christina facing this one. One very dramatic. In my head, I have something very dramatic. So this needs to be very high. And I want the light only on your faces. Let's see, I want to make everything dark. And Christina next to him, I'll tell you how to lean on him. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1 without you, Alex. Just to, without you. That pose is perfect. I need the light on this side. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now nobody moves. Just Alex is gonna move, and he's gonna bring the light down to lead Sean's face. So don't move. Okay, now the light higher. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty. 1, 2, 3. That looks great. I'm gonna go 1 floor more. You can also try to tilt your head, Sean, the head back. So bring your lips close to her, and both of you like you were falling to the back. And the camera goes 3 floors down and crash. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is high. This is really high. And looking down at each other's lips. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, I don't need a light on my picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, that's good. We can go down. Try to keep looking at us. Let me find the right angle of your hair. Perfect. Now smiling, now smiling. I want one leg longer than the other. Okay. And bend it a little and higher because I need to stretch here. That's pretty. I like that, so but move slightly closer inside to the almost in the center there. There. Bend your knee. Perfect. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just playing with the hold it. If you can find the veil and stretch it, holding. Opening, playing with the veil. 1, 2, 3, both sides. And keep smiling. Looking at the window. No, both arms at the same time. Looking up, look at Christina. Oh, perfect. Lean closer. There you a little closer, like foreheads together, actually. No filter. Am I blocking your shot? Am I in your shot? Okay. Okay, now that's a lot. And the light is only pointing towards Sean. So I need. I like the angle. I like it to go like this. Okay, and I think a little less. I like it just a little wider. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, ready? Looking at him, and you can cross your leg. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hold it from lower. An angle. I think it's longer, right? Hold it from there and doing this. Hold it there. Looking back and down at your veil. A little closer, more natural, like if you're just trying to fix. There you go. You can look at her now, Sean. 1, 2. Same thing. I just need to switch your face, like Sean on the other side and on the other side. So I can see Christina's face. 1, 2, 3. Go closer. Gonna get close to you. Look at each other, like rubbing noses and smiling and closing your eyes. There you go.